Hello, welcome to UPSC Rainbow. Previous class study about the agriculture sector and industry sectors. Let us begin with the new chapter is known as poverty and unemployment. You know the poverty and unemployment is very important in economics issues. What is the cause of poverty? What is the poverty and what is the recommendation made to eradicate the poverty? You know the sustainable development goal having first objective to no poverty, and in case of unemployment, the unemployment crisis in India is going on. So let us begin with the basic UPSC prelims questions. Let us start with. Okay, thank you. First topic is consider the following statements are the correct. Northeast Rural Livelihood Program would benefit all the Northeast states. These statements are incorrect because it only focus on the four states. First is Mizoram, second is Nagaland, and third is the Sikkim, and fourth is the Tripura. What is the state? Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Tripura. The first statements are incorrect. Next, Northeast Rural Livelihood Programs aim to improve rural livelihoods, especially that of women, employed youth, and the most disadvantaged in the fourth northeastern state only. These statements are correct. Asking what the correct statements, only are two correct statements, so answer is B. Consider the following statement which is the major objective of the Manrega. You know the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, which is established in 2005, having the following objective such as wage employment, yes, create durable community assets, yes, and empower Gram Panchayat is also there. Asking what the correct statements 1 to 3 are correct statements, so answer is D. Another question related to the Rural Ministry has launched a Calm Mango Abhiyan, which seeks to increase the awareness around the entitlements of the Manrega. So, asking what the correct statements, one is correct statements, so answer is A. Consider the following statements are the correct. Kudum Siri is a poverty reduction mission of government of Kerala, not government of Karnataka. So, these statements are incorrect. The mission aims at the empowerment of the women through forming self-help groups and encouraging their entrepreneurial of the wide range of activities. These statements are correct. Asking what the correct statements, so only are two correct statements, so answer B. Consider the following statements are the correct. Okay. Indian Development Marketplace is launched by the World Bank, not IMF, which is launched by World Bank. Okay. This development marketplace is a competitive grant-based program launched by the World Bank for profit and non-profit organization working in the area of delivery service to the poor in the northeastern state of Assam, Mizoram, and Meghalaya. These statements are correct. Asking what the correct statements, only two correct statements, so answer B. Read the following regarding the pattern of the development aimed by successive 9th 5-year plan. You know the 9th 5-year plan focus on the reduction of poverty and availability of the primary health and care facilities, not focus on the increasing the economic growth. So asking about the correct statement 2 and 3 correct statements, so answer is C. Okay. Next question, consider the following statements. About the Manrega is correct. You know the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act established in 2008-5. It gives a guarantee employment for 100 days of the rural people who are eligible and willing to take it. Yes, for tribals, it provides guarantee employment for 150 days from 2014 years. To distinguish tribal from the regular Manrega workers, they will given the job card of different color. Yes, asking what the correct statement 1 to 3 are correct statements, so answer is A. Consider the following statements are correct. Samajwadi Pension Scheme is launched by DP government. Yes, Samajwadi Pension Scheme which will benefit about 40 lakh rural families living below poverty line. Yes, asking what correct statement 1 to a correct statement, so answer is C. Okay. India ranks at lower level in hunger index. The hunger index is a measure on which of the following indicators. Number of children who are eligible to calorie deficient, yes. Child malnutrition is yes. Rate of child mortality, yes. Rate of literacy is not there. Asking about the correct statements 1 to 3 are correct statements. So answer is C. Read the following statements on the poverty in India. Okay, there are many factors which are associated with the poverty, such as accessibility of the basic education, health care, drinking water, sanitation. Yes, the current mechanism for estimating the poverty lines does not take into consideration of the social factor promote poverty. These statements are incorrect. Asking all the incorrect statements, only 2 is incorrect, so answer is B. Consider the following statements and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Educated employment increases with high rate of economic growth. Yes. It happens only when there is lack of professional education. Yes. Asking what the correct statements, 1 2 are correct statements, so answer is C. Consider the following statements are correct. District Rural Development Agency help in reduction of rural poverty in India. Yes. District Rural Development Agency secure intersectoral, interdepartmental coordination and cooperation for effective implementation of anti-poverty program. Yes. District Rural Development Agency ensure effective utilization of fund intent for anti-poverty program. Yes. Asking about the correct statements 1 2 3 are correct statements. So answer is D. Consider the following statements are correct. The multi-dimensional poverty index is developed by the McKinsey with the United Nations Development Support. This statement is incorrect because it is developed by the Oxford and United Nations Development Support. So first statements are incorrect. The multi-dimensional poverty index covers deprived of the health, education, standard of living, assets and the service at a household. These statements are correct. Asking about the correct statements, only 2 is correct statements. Answer is B. Okay. Consider the following 2 statements and answer the questions. The rural poverty alleviation program will henceforth run on the mission mode. Yes. The National Rural Livelihood Mission is centrally a sponsored program implemented by the state. These statements are correct. Also, asking what the correct statements, so both 1 and 2 correct statements. So answer is C. Consider the following statement regarding this old question, so skip that. Read the following statements about the Indian government's release of the first socio-economic caste census. Okay. It reflects only poverty and deprivation in India and does not provide information of the social trends in rural India. This statement is incorrect because it provides the social trend also. So 15% or 5.37 crore deprived households in rural areas or landless. These statements are correct. Over 1/3 of population living in rural areas is illiterate. This statement is also correct. Rural India is largely self-employed in the organized sector. These statements are incorrect. Asking what the correct statement. So 2 and 3 are correct statements. Statement answer is B. Okay. Which of the following scheme is designed and launched to improve the living standards of the urban poor? A cricketed social health activist, ASHA worker is for the rural, if not for the urban. So first statements are incorrect. Janya Suraksha Yojana is also for the rural. This statement is also incorrect. Valmiki Ambedkar Malni Vasti Awas Yojana is there for the urban. So asking about the urban, so 3 is only correct answer. So answer is C. Which of the following are the correct about the Sampurn Gramin Rozgar Yojana launched in September 2001? It was implemented through the Panchayati Raj institution. Yes. It aims to provide employment and food to people in the rural area who lived below the poverty line. Yes. It is a combination of the provisions under the Employment Insurance Scheme and the Jawahar Gram Samriddhi Yojana. This statement is also correct. It has a special provision for women, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and the parents of the children who worked in the hazard condition. So this statement is also correct. Asking what the correct statements 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which of the following is not included in the automatic exclusion as per the Saxena committee? Saxena committee is recommended what is the criteria to exclusion from the families having the two-wheeler is the not criteria for exclusion. Families have the minimum one mechanized equipment, yes. Income taxpayer, yes. The families having the person who draws above 10,000 rupees per month working in private organization. These statements are also correct. Asking all the incorrect statements, so answer is A. Which of the following is the nodal ministry to identify BPL families in urban area? Using the urban area identified by the Ministry of Housing and Poverty Alleviation. So answer is C. Thank you for discussion. Meeting in next lecture.